Hi everyone, this is the answer key to the spring break assignment, which was practice with participles sheet number 6. The reason why I'm waiting for now to post this answer key is two reasons. One, for some reason I was still missing spring break work up until now, and about 3 of you still haven't submitted it yet. So you really need to stay on top of your Latin and submit it. And 2, as I said earlier in the last video and on the posts from yesterday, there will be 2 quizzes on participles next week. So this is a good refresher of just the present participle. Okay, so let's go over this. So number 1, you have to draw an arrow from the participle to its noun that it's modifying. So aperienti goes with ancili, and let's translate. The mother was speaking to the slave girl, opening the window in your bedroom. Okay, number 2, fugientes is the participle. It's modifying servos. That's it. Everything kind of goes together there. If you want to review, if you want to kind of highlight what goes together, you can. Okay, I'm going to translate. So you caught sight of the slaves fleeing out of the house of the evil master, or you can say fleeing out of the evil master's house. They were sitting in the strong branches of the high or tall trees. Good. Okay, number 3, Yakenti goes with Connie. By the way, aliquid kibi, that's a partitive genitive phrase. If you've forgotten how to do partitive genitive, you want to check your notes because you have it in there. Or you might want to ask me for extra help on how to do them because I'll start putting them in a lot more sentences now. Ante tuum domum goes together, feles tua goes together, and vidiosa is your new vocab word. Okay, let's translate. So I gave some food to the dog lying in the street in front of your house or in front of your home. Your cat was jealous and attacked me. By the way, people always confuse yakeo, which means to lie, with yakio, yakare, which means to throw. Yakio, which means to throw, always has an I somewhere in the stem. So if there's not an I in the stem, it means to lie. So that's how you can help remember it. Okay, Euenus is young man and Kipiens is modifying it. Let's translate. So the young man, comma, beginning or starting to learn Latin, comma, is very happy. As every student who is beginning to learn Latin should be. Okay, Humi is locative. We saw that in a homework assignment shortly before the shutdown. I said, make sure you know Humi, the locative, you'll see it a lot. Yacientibus. Here we go. Here's throwing with the I. That goes with liberis. In plus the accusative flumen. So flumen here is accusative, so it's not going to be in the river, it's going to be into the river. So, where's my text box? Here we go. I am sitting on the ground with the children throwing rocks into the river. Sounds actually very peaceful. I'd do anything to be outside 24/7 right now. All right. Inspecientium's one of your new vocab words. It's modifying servorum. Everything else is in place. So, Sextus. Wow, there we go. Sextus had grabbed or had seized the money of the slaves inspecting the garden. Sextus is annoying. Nobody likes Sextus. Entrantes goes with senatores. Multas novas leges goes together. Okay. The senators entering the Senate House will make many new laws with the judges soon. Number 8, ferens is your participle. It ends with ns, so it's nominative singular, so it modifies the nominative singular merchant. Suum to baronum goes together. Multa is a substantive. Brindisium is 2 brindisium. Sacum is by itself. And then everything else we can kind of put together. So bringing many things to brindisium with him. You don't have to say with himself. You can just say with him because with himself sounds strange. So bringing many things to brindisium with him. The merchant will open his shop at noon or at midday tomorrow. Formons is nominative singular. These two words go together. This is perfect passive. This is genitive, but this is ablative. So let's put it together. Pygmalion, comma, shaping a very beautiful statue, or you can say forming a very beautiful statue, had been praised by the goddess of love, and that's Venus. So you can say shaping or forming, either one. And finally, number 10, festinantibus means to hurry. It goes with the young men. A lot of these sentences featured your brand new vocab, so hopefully that vocab's in your head by now. Or I think doing this worksheet kind of helped get that vocab in your head if you did it properly. So let's make a text box properly. Let's try that. Okay. I was walking with the young men hurrying towards the Circus Maximus. Okay, and there you go. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Make sure you go over your spring break assignment and correct your work because you will see things similar to it on your participle